I forgot what it's called. Oh, yes. Pixel Gun 3D. Yeah.
Wait, what should I do mine as? What do you want me to put it as? That's just how it. MC?
Yeah. I was gonna put does gaming, but okay. Here. Oh wait, you want me to change your skin to a girl skin? Okay, guys. No, you can. Some technical difficulties, guys. I'm so sorry. But yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Buy one of those skins.
You have to buy it.
Yes, you do. Well, most of them. The good skins, then. Okay, I'm just gonna do one of them, and you just do a round to practice. Okay, guys, we're gonna be playing Terrifying Resort. This is multiplayer. Press battle now. Just do what it says, and I'm gonna help you after I'm done.
Where are you?
I'll help you after I'm done. Yeah, just do what everyone. Okay, guys, sorry. Some technical difficulties with one of my friends, so gotta just we gotta just be like. Do this thing.
Or do you want to look?
I'm not doing face cam, damn it. Okay, so my friend's going crazy. Oh shoot! Why would?
That's not me.
Yes, I know that. Duh. I don't even know how to play Group Survival because it never told me. So.
This is creepy. I don't like it.
Pool party is not creepy. Why is this taking so long? At the people. At the red team. Oh yeah. Oh damn. Oh dude, this is so creepy. Oh. I'm here thinking that I have to shoot that guy. This is like major loud. Sally! Or Sully, whatever. Boom! Shoot! Die, Freddy! I mean, die, whatever. Die, Bonnie head! Shoot! Dude!
I died.
Okay. I'll tell. Just respawn. Press play or whatever. Use whatever you want. Oh my god! Tiger Foxies! Boom! Bonnie heads. I just saved Sally. I mean, Sally. Oh, why do I have to be on the red team? Oh.
Stuck in the pool.
Boom! It's called jumping. There's this thing called jumping. She doesn't know how to jump. Okay. Don't want to jump.
I started this today.
Oh my gosh, Chica. Oh, that sucks.
Guards are gonna come in here.
There are no security guards. No, not in this game.
Real life.
Oh, I don't care. Really? God, die, Bonnie.
I'm just shooting random people, to be honest.
Oh, don't shoot random people. Just don't shoot people on your team.
I got to shoot.
Duh.
Mango.
Mango something. Boom. Stop fireball. No fireball for you. Boom.
I'm on level 2.
I'm on level 4.
I just started this today.
I just started this today also. I don't care.
Can I shoot you?
I don't care. Oh, I feel so bad for that. Oh my gosh, that guy's ugly. Dude, that's so funny. Oh, yay. Armor, free armor, yay. Free, oh. That sucks.
I want a grenade.
I want your face, not. Okay, so I might rage quit. Yay, somebody's gonna kill me. Okay, kill me already. Yay, finally. Okay.
Okay, where you going?
Really? Okay, so I'm gonna go get something because I have to, and I